Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad bin Nizam, and I'm gonna discuss what is happening in our group. So at May 17, I tried to gather the team to finish up to set up the 5Vs, but only one key replied and Ayang only seen the message. So I explained why I'm asking the question. So they say that they cannot open the app. I don't know why. At May 21, at May 31st, I tried to gather the group again, but nothing happened. So and I started to focus my FYP too.